Hello, so this a comparison about the Fosi Audio BT20A and the Pyle PDA29BU. So I think this guy have a lot of more options than this one. So you have the same adjustments. You have volume, treble, and bass. This one have a mic volume because have two mics input. It has USB and memory card. Have Bluetooth too. You can change the mode here. I'm below. After this video, you have two links for videos where I tested both and display the options. Here below, behind this one, the inputs are auxiliary and the outputs are with bare cable, and this antenna is for Bluetooth and FM. Okay, this one is way smaller, right? Lighter, so you can hide this easier. The treble, bass, and volume you have on off. You have Bluetooth on this one. If it's using Bluetooth, the light goes on blue. If not, it's red. Here you have auxiliary input, that's with the red light, and you can use banana plugs or bare wire to connect. If you twist this, you have the wire connection there, right? That's what I'm using. And the antenna, that's pretty small and cute, let's say. So, and you have input here that's 24 volts, the power source, and is 110 to 220 volts and 100 to 240 actually, and this one is 115 volts only, so this is not bivolt. In my opinion, okay, now I'm not using USB, I'm not using memory card, and I'm not using radio on this because I have a receiver at home. That's right. I want this to power my here speakers, and because I want to use a Wi-Fi receiver to send audio to my speakers. So I'll use auxiliary or Bluetooth with those bookshelves speakers. So this guy is way more powerful than this one. This one I turned it to the maximum in my test, and you can see the video if you want, and the audio was fine. The speakers were not like they were fine. This one, when I put in 75%, I was afraid of the speakers blow because it was too loud, like was really loud. This guy is way more powerful than this one, so I'm using this one. This is not an option for me, but if you need memory card, USB, if you think that's fine. If you want radio and mic, this option is nice. Just be aware that it's not too powerful as this one. Okay, but both works great. Both look great products, but this is my choice for now. Okay. So have a great day. If you liked this video, please subscribe, thumbs up, and comment because you help me to make more videos like this. Okay, have a great day. Bye.